the development and demise of fast food architecture. Fast food architecture refers to the design and aesthetic of buildings and structures that house fast food restaurants. These structures are typically designed to be easily recognizable and to convey a sense of speed, convenience, and accessibility to customers. They often feature bold, eye-catching colors and graphics, as well as distinctive shapes and forms. The rise of fast food architecture can be traced back to the post-World War II era, when the fast food industry began to grow rapidly. As fast food chains expanded, they sought to differentiate themselves from their competitors through the use of distinctive architectural designs. In the 1950s and 1960s, many fast food chains began to adopt a modern look, with sleek, futuristic designs that were meant to evoke a sense of progress and innovation. One of the most famous examples of fast food architecture from this period is the original McDonald's restaurant in San Bernardino, California. Designed by architect Stanley Meston, the restaurant featured a distinctive golden arches design that became synonymous with the McDonald's brand. Other fast food chains, such as Burger King and Wendy's, also adopted modernist architectural styles in the 1970s and 1980s. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, fast food architecture began to evolve once again, as fast food chains sought to appeal to changing consumer preferences and tastes. Many fast food chains began to adopt more natural or green design elements, such as the use of wood, stone, and other natural materials, as well as the incorporation of outdoor seating and landscaping. Some fast food chains also began to experiment with more unique and unconventional architectural styles, such as the use of futuristic or futuristic-inspired designs, or the incorporation of local cultural elements. Despite the enduring popularity of fast food, the architectural style associated with it has faced criticism in recent years. Some critics have argued that fast food architecture is overly commercial, and lacks the sense of place and community found in more traditional architectural styles. Others have argued that fast food architecture is aesthetically unappealing and contributes to the homogenization of the built environment. Despite these criticisms, fast food architecture remains a popular and influential architectural style,